Hey guys, it's Desiree. I'm here at the Fairchild farm getting a private tour of the facilities here. This is where some of the mangoes that will be on display at the Mango Festival are grown. So I'm going to bring you along with me as I learn more about the mangoes and other fruits that are grown here at the Fairchild farm.
Welcome to the Fairchild farm. My name is Noris Ledesma and I am the curator of tropical fruit at Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden. I want to take you around and show you what we are hosting here at the Redlands, Homestead, Florida. We have so much abundance and opportunity to grow different tropical fruits that we are going to celebrate at the International Mango Festival and Tropical Fruit. So this property was donated by Mr. Williams in 2002 to Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden. He was an avocado farmer and he gave us these 20 acres to host a living collection for tropical fruits. He was very concerned to lose more land of the agricultural land here in South Dade County. And this is serving that. So we are hosting our mango collection that we are very proud of. 650 different mango cultivars. 1 tree per cultivar. So you can see all sizes, shapes, and colors. We are going to celebrate this year mangoes of Haiti. The Haitian growers had been asking us to dedicate 1 year for their mangoes. They are very passionate about mangoes. In fact, mangoes arrived to Haiti before they arrived to South Florida in the 20th century. The people from Haiti started selecting their own mangoes. And they're very, very particular with their mangoes. And this is Madame Francis, one of the most popular Haitian mangoes that is going to be at the Mango Festival. We will have trees. We are going to teach them how to grow their mangoes, and Baptists as well, and all their mangoes, and they really, really love. We have also a very important jackfruit collection. This is from Southeast Asia. It looks like a big guanabana, and you can use it as a fruit, or you can make all kinds of different dishes. An entire meal, it can be done with 1 jackfruit fruit. This is the mamey zapote, a staple fruit for the Cuban community. So if you go to Calle Ocho, you are not going to miss one of these mamey smoothies. They are just delicious. A mamey is quite expensive, and I'm going to explain to you why. So from flower to fruit ready to pick is 2 years. 2 years, not even 1 year has to wait. The farmer has to wait 2 years to harvest 1 fruit from flower to fruit. You know, there are some tips for people that doesn't understand the zapotes. Because you see them and they look browny, like woody colored, and you don't know when they are ready to pick, just because of the size. Obviously this one is green and this one could be ready, but it still doesn't look red or yellow. So the best way to choose the maturity of the mamey is just scratching over, and then when it's deep orange, is ready to pick. The avocado collection at the Fairchild farm contains 170 different avocados. Our avocados are the large avocados that we call West Indians or Guatemalan type. The West Indians avocados are the avocados that grow from the level of the ocean to 250 meters in the tropics. And these are the avocados that we can grow in Florida. The Hass, the little Hass type, they don't do well here. They do well in California. So many people, they want to grow avocado Hass, and this is not the place to grow that kind of avocado. So the International Mango Festival is a celebration. It's a celebration of all these stories from people that is growing with this fruit. And we just put it together and we pass it over.
I want to thank Doris for giving me a tour of the Fairchild farm, and join me on July 13th for the Mango Conference and July 14th and 15th for the Mango and Tropical Fruit Festival to celebrate the mangoes of Haiti taking place at the Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden. Thank you for watching. click on that like button if you like this video or if you like mangoes. Subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and clicking the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. I'll see you at the Mango Festival.